Yeah, hello friends. Today we will learn how to add a record in our cPanel, right? Let's suppose we have a domain like adminpanel.ga, and now we want to create a subdomain like login.adminpanel.ga, and on this subdomain you want to put a record to a IP address. Like let's suppose this is your IP which you want to add as a record in this subdomain in cPanel. Now let's see how we can do this in the cPanel. First of all, you log in your cPanel account. Then here you just search for the option D and okay, zone editor, ZONE, zone editor. Now in zone, click on this zone editor. Now here you will get a record entry, right? Hey, this is your domain, and in this domain I want to put a record. Click on this a record, and let's suppose put your that subdomain. Okay, my subdomain is login. There's this login.adminpanel.ga. Now I put it login only, and my IP address is this 2.2.2. Let's put out this and press that add a record button. Okay, now you are successfully added the following a record for this login. Now let's see where this a record is added. I click on the manage, and now here I can see that I add this login.admin.ga. Now it will take some time to update in our internet. Click on this website tnschecker.and. Okay, I want to see the a record status. Now what is my domain subdomain? This login.adminpanel.ga. Now search. Now as right now I'm not getting any result of my a record, my entry that my IP address is not present on this domain. I have to wait some time, and after 30 minutes or 1 hour, it depend on your it depend on totally it depend on the internet, and you can say that it depend on your service provider how what time it take to resolve. But after 1 hour, when I click on this and search button, I will get the IP address here, listed IP address here. Now if I am from India, what I want the result, I want that IP address 2.2.2 here. Okay, and if you successfully view your IP address here, then it means that your A record is working now. Okay, bye. Thank you.